Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Last week was very adventurous. We had so many break-even stop loss hits, but Friday paid it all. Another long-term example of discipline and patience. If you wait, if you observe, if you intend to save your equity first, profit comes later, and it came. Well on target, the itchy fingers would have profited it buying from the bottom, but it was a high risk trade. But it happened. After NFE, we got the chance to enter a sell from 51.53 area and got good TPs hit. Discipline and patience always pays. That's the bottom line. Macro price action being discussed in the group. Here we just focus on our daily 50 pip opportunity. As the range of supply and demand is narrowing, just 100 pips, I will enter on return means entry on rejection only. For example, if the price continues its decline and kisses 0% level at 1934, I'll wait for the wick to be made, and on return towards 1935, a buy entry will be taken. Similarly, if the price moves above, then on reaching 50% level 1943, I might wait a little more for a week to test even 61.8 golden ratio 1945, and then again on return a sell will be entered. I will not enter into trade if the price moves between these ranges. However, scalpers may enjoy this range as it is Monday and New York Stock Exchange will remain closed. So price might move in this narrow range throughout the day. I'm in sell from 1952 at break even and my eyes are still on that red line under 1918 and 23 area. Wanna TP this second lot with 300 pips. Let's see if it happens or not. As per my strategy, I'll always take two lots. One lot I take the TP at 50 pips, so I get satisfied with the profit in, and the second lot keeps me away from over trading. And on chance that if the price moves on the same direction, I might get more than 100 pips or 150 pips. I think this is the time for the second lot to hit my wished TP. Let's see what happens. Monday blues. Take care.